let Tamil Nadu people help to these affected people, war affected people. You can say many reasons this government have to do, or government not let to do. NERDO is there. Okay, we form a NGO. In Kilinochchi, A9 Road, we have the office. You can come, anybody can come. If you want to come, I will arrange the NGO, this MOD clearance. You can come and you can work with the people. Genuine humanitarian project. Okay. I don't involve any politics. We don't have any politics. Only humanitarian works. Okay. So that I'm saying again to Tamil Nadu politicians, don't put any controversial, don't let our youth or our generation to again another circle of struggling. Okay? So enough.
So you are asking the Tamil Nadu politicians to forget the past. But in order to forget the past, the truth of the past must also be told. You were a senior member of LTT, you know the truth. Isn't it a fact that several politicians and political parties did support and did push several Tamil people into violence? Isn't it a fact? Can you take names and political parties and say the truth?
You see that our struggle, okay, that we sometimes depend on Tamil Nadu. Okay. Actually, when we start our struggle, it's a very clean, we are very firm on our policy. We don't involve any Indian politics or Indian. It is our problem. We go for India, sometime buy something and come back. We don't meet anyone. Okay. It is our beginning of struggle. Okay. The problem is when we met some politician in Tamil Nadu for some purpose. Example, our first attempt that Prabhakaran and Maheswaran fight on the street, then they put in the prison, the police station, then we want to take them bail, then we contact the politician, then start up this influence. Then this one is come, you know that then we know that what is the real problem. Actually this in Tamil Nadu, still you know that Periyar, DK party is a movement. He wants the Travida Nadu. That means Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Andhra, they want separation from the north. Okay. This is propaganda, and he start organization. From this base, Annadurai, Karunanidhi came out. Okay. But this one failed course. Okay. But still have some people with this policy. Veeramani, Ramakrishnan, Mani, these people still have this mindset, you know. They don't accept the changes. World are changing, you know. Sometimes we have some dream, but this one possible or not, we have to evaluate, we have to calculate now. So the Dravida Kalagam is already 100 years, the Periyar he passed away and everything gone. Still they have these ideas. So these ideas they pass to Prabhakaran. Okay? Anti-Brahmins ideas. That's Prabhakaran carry their idea and their goal to make a struggle against the Brahmins. Push this, you know. It's environment pushing. Because these Tamil Nadu politicians, these teams, they make him as a, you know, the marvelous as a hero and that, and they make that he is a Tamil, that they compare with the old king and something like, is make him something, then his course are changed. that's why this, that all blender, this against Rajiv Gandhi and this happening. They like, it's, they are lost cause, they feed to the Prabhakaran brain.
So, are you saying that DMK in a way ideologically influenced Prabhakaran to take the step of Rajiv Gandhi assassination?
This one is, I cannot say yes, but that influence, some kind of influence, that they feed him against the Brahmins. This one will maybe this is the reason. That's why he hated the Prime Minister of India. He's a young leader and he wants fast and everything that he tried to do. He tried to solve as soon as possible this issue.
There are pictures of Vaiko sitting with Prabhakaran. How did Vaiko manage to come to the Vanni region?
Yeah, this one is you see that he is that time he's a I think member of parliament. No? That he without even he is in DMK, he have already the problem inside the party. He want to be leader of the party next to Karunanidhi. But some people inside they don't like him. They want the Stalin should come. So he want to create his popularity. So only thing that he got it, that base is LTT. So he want to get the support that, because Tamil Nadu people are emotionally, I told earlier that they are behind the LTT. So he want that population, that votes. So he go close with the LTT. He even violate the law and he came here and met Prabhakaran. Prabhakaran, until he met the Vaiko, he don't know he came alone without Karunanidhi permission. He that time told how he can come without Karunanidhi permission. He's surprised actually. So that point is that it's a personal interest. Okay, some people personal agenda. So it is like now this one become some people, that personal life. It's you see that you can see how the Nedumaran and Vaiko have the support in Tamil Nadu. Even they don't contest the election. You see, this nobody gives even Jayalalitha don't give. You see that. So it is they have. I don't think they will change, but I request them to change. But this one is again I say it's a good. They feel this is they cannot, that if they leave, if they say, oh, LTT over, come and see the reality and support, then where is their future?
What about DMK? How did they support the LTT?
The DMK that, that Vaiko is a part of DMK early. That some DMK MPs, MLAs, that they are very close with us. So that, the Karunanidhi also used this. I don't think Karunanidhi he is very, the senior politicians. He just time to time that use this card. He is close, so that, I am close with Prabhakaran, so that is he will get the vote. Sometimes he quiet. He's a politician, that very senior politician. He enough that his, that base, that is party and the fund, everything, they are well off. So they need the vote only, that's it.
And what about Jayalalitha?
The Jayalalitha, yeah, she is very smart and she is very educated woman. Okay. That she know how to handle this. Okay. But she came as a new chief minister yesterday, and we have to wait and see, because he is see now the pulse of the people, Tamil Nadu people. So she will go.
But was she or wasn't she in the hit list of LTT?
It's that I think she feel that she is a kid of, maybe LTT also, if have the chance they will try, because she is always against LTT. She always take action against LTT in Tamil Nadu. So everyone will understand the LTT, how the LTT are. Maybe they try maximum, but it's sometimes it's couldn't happen.
Yeah.